You're watching Realistic Fishing with the Spice King, Keith Loren, spiciest man in the world, Duke of Delicious Kaiser, Korean, the man who invented cooking. And you can get my seafood spice at Walmart, Stop and Shop, Big Y, Jewel-Osco, H-E-B, and Food Line grocery stores. Keep it realistic and put some Spice King on that seafood.
All right, we're back at it. Let's get down here to the log and see if we can find anything else. We're fishing with a clip-on cigar float, a BG1 micro jig head, and some gulp minnows. Yep, there we go. Let's see if we can get a bite. While I was getting ready, I thought I heard some skipjack and stuff jumping around over that way. I might go over there and check that out. First, I'm gonna see if I can find a crappie over here by the log. We might even find a skipjack over here by the log. We might not find anything over here by the log. I'm going to adjust the float. We're going to raise it up about 6 more inches. Let me check that my minnow is on here appropriately. I don't like the way it's on here. We're going to adjust. A little bit of minnow chasing going on out there while I was working on my float. I might be better off fishing with something like a jerkbait. Wow. Right here in front of me, I saw a little bit of action.
There was 2 ladies at the food court eating, and one of them looked up at me and said, "Excuse me, sir, have you ever been on Realistic Fishing? You're a professional wrestler, right?" And I was like, "Yes, ma'am." But today was the first. Somebody looked at me and, asked if I've been on the Realistic Fishing. That's so cool, man. It really made my day.
Fish. There we go. There we go. Skipjack. Here we go. First fish of the day. There we go. Got a slimy skipjack here, probably about 12 inches. Let's let it go. First fish of the day, not bad. That was a gunshot. All right, can you see these shad in front of me flitting around? It's that time of year when the shad are coming up into creeks and shallow areas, and when that happens, oftentimes other fish follow them in there, like skipjack, sometimes white bass, largemouth bass, sometimes even catfish, sometimes drum. A lot of fish like to see shad, big schools of shad. They wait there. They'll wait underneath and look up. They'll dart in and out and try to eat them. That's what the skipjack do. Skipjack are all about high-speed chase. There might even be some crappie over here at the log waiting to get some shad as they swim by. Oh yeah, so welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I got right into it today. We're down here at the log fishing a float rig with a gulp minnow. And so far we got one skipjack. I'm hoping we can find a few more fish. They're looking pretty active. I'm seeing them chasing bait fish. I'm not seeing a ton of them, but I am seeing some action out here. Wow! Did you see that? That skipjack tried to eat my bobber. Yeah, I can see some shad down there in front of me. I actually caught one. Look at that. I caught a shad. I'm going to cast this out. We're going to use this shad as bait. You know, I might get something a little bit bigger than the BG1 can handle doing it this way, but we're going to see what happens. If I do get a bite, I think I'm going to let him take it for a moment. I want him to have a good grip on the bait. I don't want it to just come out of their mouth when I go to set the hook. I'm just watching that line down there, waiting for it to tighten, you know, like something has it, like something's pulling on it. I could also tie on a more sturdy hook. Wow, there's something, probably a skipjack. I could also tie on a sturdier hook. Uh-oh, uh-oh, I felt a bite. I think I have a bite. Maybe not. I felt a definite tap, but it might have been a fish swimming into my lure. Here we go. Here we go. Fish. On a BG1. Head shakes. Might be a catfish. It's pretty strong, whatever it is. It's not jumping around, so I don't know if it's a... Wow. Is it a drum? It's a drum. Okay, first drum. First drum of the season. All right, this sheephead is down there eating shad. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. We got a drum here. About a, I don't know, 15 or 16 inch drum. Let's let it go. Wow, wrong way, guy. Go. There he goes.
Hey, you're watching Realistic Fishing with Butterbean. That's me. Keep it realistic.
Check it out. Bent my hook. BG1, not a super strong hook. But it can catch a drum, 15-inch drum. Let's get back to fishing. Who knows, maybe we'll even find a crappie if I let it sink out there by the log. Maybe. Fish. Pulling a little drag. What is it? Hey, it's a nice sized bluegill. Third species of the day. Let's get a quick hand measurement. Almost 8 inches. Yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Not many crappie today. I don't think I've even caught one. Fish on. Another nice bluegill. All right. All right. Yeah, we got about a 7-incher here. Fish. Wow. That is a big skipjack. Wow. I got to keep it hooked. Up onto the bank. There we go. That is a huge, huge skipjack. Wow. Got him on the BG1. Let's get a quick measurement. 15-inch skipjack. Beauty. Beauty. 15-incher. Yes, this thing's like a missile. All right, that's it for me today. What did I get? I got a few skipjack, a drum, and a few bluegill. No crappie today, but the log is definitely coming alive. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.